Welcome to this complete guide on the NCHMCT JEE 2026 application process. If you dream of building a successful career in hotel management and hospitality, this presentation will walk you through every essential step from registration to final submission. Let's begin your journey towards a rewarding future in hospitality. Why NCHMCT JEE matters. The National Council for Hotel Management Joint Entrance Examination, commonly known as NCHMCT JEE, is a national level entrance exam. It is conducted by the National Testing Agency or NTA on behalf of the National Council for Hotel Management and Catering Technology. Qualifying this exam gives you admission into prestigious B.Sc Hospitality and Hotel Administration program offered by top institutes of the hotel management across India. These IHMs are known for excellent academic standards, industry exposure, and strong placement records. Now let's look at the important dates for NCHMCT JEE 2026. The official notification has been released. The registration began on December 26, 2025. The last date to apply is March 25th, 2026. The exam is scheduled for April 25, 2026, which is a Saturday. You must always keep track of the official updates on the NTA website to avoid missing deadlines. Before applying, make sure you meet the eligibility requirements. Students must have passed class 12 or an equivalent examination from a recognized board. English must have been a compulsory subject at the 10+2 level. Age limits apply, with relaxations available for reserved category candidates as per the government rules. There is no strict limit on the number of attempts, so you can apply multiple times if needed. Always refer to the official notification for complete and accurate eligibility details. Now let's look how to register on the official portal. The first step is the registration, for which you need to visit the official website exams.nta.ac.in/nchm. You must create your account using a valid email ID and a mobile number. These contact details are important because all of the future communications from NTA will be sent there. After registration, you will receive login credentials. Keep them safe as you will need them to complete your application and check the update. Next, log in and start filling out the application form carefully. Enter your personal details, academic qualifications, category information, and contact details accurately. Upload the scanned copies of the passport size photograph, signature, class 12 mark sheet, category certificate if applicable. Make sure the uploaded documents follow the specified size and format guidelines. Before submitting all the documents, you must review the details carefully. Corrections may be done later, but it might be limited or comes with an additional charge. Now let's discuss the application fees. For general and OBC NCL candidates, it is INR 1000. General EWS candidates, it is INR 700. For SC, ST, PWD and third gender candidates, the price is INR 450. The payment can be made online using debit card, credit card, net banking, UPI, digital wallets. Please note that the service charges and GSTs may apply. Also, the application fee is non-refundable. After the application process closes, NTA will open a correction window for a limited period of time. During this period, you can correct specific fields such as name, category, or upload a photograph. You must log in using your existing credentials to make the corrections. This will be your final opportunity to ensure that all the details match your official documents. Make sure to use the window wisely. Are you ready to begin your hospitality journey? The journey towards a successful hospitality career begins with careful and timely application. You must make sure that you track official updates regularly, keep all the required documents ready, fill in the accurate information, submit your application before the deadline. By qualifying for NCHMCT JEE 2026, you can secure admission to the top hotel management institute and move one step closer to your dream career in hospitality. Thank you for watching and best of luck with your NCHMCT JEE 2026.